Hello there, and welcome to Calendar Overlay Pro, a tool that will help you to overlay all your calendars in one centralized location in SharePoint Online and Microsoft Teams. In this video, I will show how to get started and create your first calendar after you successfully installed it in your tenant. First, switch to the Edit mode on a SharePoint site where you plan to add your Calendar Pro. Click on a plus and search the Calendar Overlay Pro app. Select it and republish the page. Calendar Overlay Pro is on your SharePoint site page. Now click Login to Azure AD. In the Permissions Request window, click Consent on behalf of organization and Accept. If you have no tenant administrator rights, ask your admin to help you. Now click Configure My Virto Calendar. Specify the name for the first calendar. Choose a SharePoint list to add events from it. If you have no existing SharePoint calendars, just add the ones available, for example, from Outlook. Click Create and Go. Here is your first calendar. By clicking the Edit icon on the top left corner, you can add more events from various sources. SharePoint lists, Outlook calendars, meeting rooms, Microsoft Planner tasks, and even Internet calendars. Just decide what to overlay in a single view and enjoy working with a feature-rich shared calendar. I hope this video was helpful for you. Thanks for watching. Bye!